And some of us threatening records for another morning here this morning as we head into our Monday. We've done that here into Columbia. The record low is 37 degrees, and that's where we've gotten to, and we've kind of held firm over the last hour or so. Heading into this afternoon, you want to grab that jacket with this cool start out there. You use those sunglasses at least initially, but that umbrella could come in handy, especially if you're going to be south of I-70 later on today. We're going to be tracking the return of some rain chances, but they'll hold off for a lot of us, especially as we head all the way through 2 o'clock. But you will notice those clouds starting to move back in. That'll essentially keep us out of the 60s later on today. Here's the latest look at future tracking. Again, that cloud cover's moved back in by that 6 o'clock hour, but I think a lot of us going to be staying dry, at least initially. And then we'll overcome some of that dry air later on as we head into tonight. Those rain chances a little bit better to come by as we head into the overnight hours. Heading into Tuesday morning, we keep them around, and still as we head into the afternoon, still hanging on in some spots. Could still see a few lingering sprinkles for our Tuesday, but we're at least trending drier, it looks like, heading into our Tuesday. By Wednesday morning, again, we'll keep that dry weather around, at least for the time being. We're going to be tracking a pattern flip, though, that's going to be changing that as we head into the second half of Wednesday. And looking at these upper level winds, again, we've been tracking that northwesterly flow these last couple of days. That's really kind of been ruling a lot of our weather. That's going to be changing out of a more southwesterly direction, and that's going to be bringing in some warmer air back to mid-Missouri to allow some of that warmer air to sneak a little further north. It also allows some of that moisture to sneak further north. That's going to be leading to some more just about daily rain chances around mid-Missouri. Now, Wednesday onward, that's when we could be talking about some showers and thunderstorms. I think Monday and Tuesday, just going to be some of these garden variety showers that we're going to be tracking. But either way, could be adding up in some spots to about an inch, 2 inches here across much of mid-Missouri, and some localized areas. Certainly not out of the realm of possibility to see a little bit more of some of that rainfall. Again, just kind of depends on how this all shakes out. But heading into Thursday and Friday, those 2 days later on this week, they at least have our attention that we could be tracking possibly some stronger storms as of right now. A little bit tough to kind of iron out some of these details. So stick with us here as we continue to work on that throughout this ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. But it's going to be raining one way or another, it looks like, as we head into a good portion of this week. And some of that could even spill over into this weekend.